All right, guys, we've got a real deal in Brain Hammock right now. All right, I'm Dr. Mary Renzel, and I'm taking coach training for women. So I am learning how to be a coach to help women think about starting a business, plan it, and then all the 7 steps to, believe it or not, hit $1 million. So this can be done, but we don't, I've never really seen a good example of how to do it when you're a doc. I know docs have LLCs sometimes, but I never really saw, and I know docs have private practices. But I never really saw a good example of it. So I just went out and found some business coaches and started some businesses myself and learned. And I just really like growing and learning. So for right now, I am offering free coaching in my Brain Hammock membership because I need to get so many free hours in with this coach training I'm doing. I was already trained as an advanced peer coach where I work, which I really like. It opened my eyes to the power of coaching. But I love this business coaching because it's a step-by-step like assessment, fill in the blanks. Like there's no mystery, right? You just keep building and keep going and it can happen. It's not easy because a lot of time our mind just tells us we can't do it. But I'll be there to help you, coach you, and walk with you. So if you're thinking about jumping in my Brain Hammock membership, which is for women docs, right now I'm offering free coaching as part of it until I hit all my hours I need for this certification. So jump in. I can't promise how long they'll be available, but they're available right now. So jump in. I'd love to see you there. We learn together. We do it together. We walk together through it. We have fun. It is neuroscience, and people think that's super technical, but I like to read the technical stuff and then just make it understandable. So I'm kind of like an interpreter. More like a GPS, how to use the research, like dust off that research actually shows some real gems of how we can put sustainable professional well-being tools, neuroscience-based, into our lives without a lot of energy or time, because who's got that kind of stuff, right? We want time to have fun like today. So let me know if you like the free coaching. That'll be part of Brain Hammock right now. Like I said, I'm not sure. I can only give away so many. So it's open right now. Jump in. Okay. DM me with questions. I'd love to see you in there.